We've got a bike going by right now.
Mullet
I'm
flapping.
glad yeah. Oh, he's got the mullet going too.
Nice.
Well, for the first bike review, ready? It's a great idea for the simpletons out there like me.
Innovation. Hello. Just as I did. Just like,
Are these guys there to take off?
yeah, they're going to take off.
You've got to kickstart their bikes too.
Yeah.
Sucked in. Get on the competition page and get out there and give yourself a chance to win. If I could, 2 words together, good to go.
I think so. Is the red light on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Show you.
Okay. Good to go? Do I look good?
I'm not sure how to answer that.
We can work on that later.
Into the bucket that it comes in, the whole kit, that is. And once you do that, I don't know what I'm going on about. Anyway, make sure you can go down and get yourself a pair of boots that I can't speak. There's a bike just coming now. 125, very noisy. Very noisy.
Valley, welcome.
G'day Lee, how you going mate? How are you everyone? Can't speak again. Sorry fellas, let's get this. G'day Lee, that's all I need to say. Have you been riding along? You stalled it like a gumpy. The thing about these modal packs is it's good value for good thing, good. Okay. And the RMZ 250 I was going to say, 125 is perfect for the beginners. Let's go for a ride at Road Park.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's it. That's fine. And of course we've got the clutch cover. Is it a cover or a cover?
That's all we've got time for this week on MXTV.
And don't forget to mention that I need to say, get a pair of boots. G'day guys, well it's been 12 months that we've had the KX Gas EC300. Mario down at Top Line Seat Covers has done me a seat cover, Mario's done me. Now they've held up really well over that time. It's been fantastic. Why do I have to keep on talking? Love doing suspension testing with you. It's testing again, suspension testing. Suspension testing.
Okay, ready?
It is. It's kind of like the Three Stooges. Really.
Larry Kelly, mate. Woo!
Yeah. Better.
You were fat. No. Holly. And the ankle has wait, hold on.
Touch wood. Now, when you think about it,
I'm the owner of Park 4 MX. No, stop, because it's Yamaha Park 4 MX. You good?
very busy man.
3, 2, 1.
Should we go? Oh, I keep saying I want to go inside and go have a chat.
Let's squeeze it.
Mum would like something like that. She'd be sitting there with a microphone.
Oh,
Look at that.
I gotta squeeze it. I gotta do it good. Oh, what a bummer. But we'll be back again next week, so make sure you're watching. And of course, I've lost all sorts of things. What are we doing? We're doing next week. Let's hold it on, boys and girls. All right, what am I doing? Am I doing a wow, or am I going, holy cow? That's what I might do, holy cow. You know, obviously we go and see Chad and you got it tweaked with the D30 protection. God. Oh wow, how was that KLX 300? You wouldn't know. How would you know?
I don't think this is going to make sense, but could I say like...
Lee reviewed it earlier on. Let's see what he got. I was going to say, let's see what he's got to think about it.
Don't say what he's got to think about it.
Do you want it in short or? Yeah.
And what that translates to is Honda. Well, that's about all we've got time for. Thanks so much for...
Hold it on, Lee. Hold it on.
Hold it on. No, hold on.
We need hold on,
We
don't
need hold on.
Did you like that? Move closer, move just a little bit. Give me a little bit of room. We should get Mum to do it. Yeah, good luck with that.
That's not.
All right, let's try that one more time.
Just don't say Mum.
I'm joined by Brandon Bell. Welcome, Belly.
G'day, Lee.
G'day. And cut.
I was 4 lines ahead. 98. Sorry. That's better. He shoots, he scores.
think that worked.
I think that works.
Yeah,
All right, good job, mate. Well done. We just got to hope
that all worked.